Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you love having your favorite glass of wine while traveling, or want to be able to take or bring back wine or other spirits as souvenirs or gifts, then you're going to want to check out this amazing wine suitcase from SERABETTO. This suitcase eliminates all the fear of either broken glass or leaks. It protects each bottle individually and gives you that peace of mind while traveling. We were super impressed with this wine suitcase because not only did it hold 6 bottles of wine, it can hold other similar sized bottles of spirits as well. So we love the variety that we were able to mix and match as long as it was similar size of 750 milliliters. Another favorite feature is just how smooth and slick these wheels are. We were able to navigate very easily. The suitcase is super cute as well. I love that it gives a little bit of a retro vibe, so it's super easy to identify in the airport, especially if you're checking your bag. This suitcase comes with TSA locks as well, which allows you to change the code as needed. I really feel like you get a 2-for-1 deal here because not only can you use it for your wine or other spirits, but if you choose not to, you can use it just as a regular suitcase as well. The suitcase is fully equipped with protection for 3 bottles on each side of the suitcase. It has a hard shell on the outside and is very easy to handle. I think that the suitcase is super cost effective, especially if you're wanting to bring your own wine or spirits with you while traveling. So if you're looking to eliminate the fear of broken glass or leaks, check out this wine suitcase from SERABETTO. We love it and we think you will too. And that's our point of view.